I've been knotted for weeks. Put a tennis ball between me and a wall and lean your weight into it. Hold there. I crack open and the burning finally stops. I'm your deep core. I'm completely switched off right now and your spine has zero stability. Pull your belly button toward your spine and hold without holding your breath.
I'm a mosquito bite. Scratching only makes it worse. Run a metal spoon under hot water, then press it flat on me. The heat breaks down the histamine. I'm that little flap in front of your ear canal. Press me firmly inward with your finger. The pressure disrupts the cough signal before it fires. You finally found a page all about life hacks. Follow at Lifehack for more daily tips.